So I just want to give a quick presentation demonstration of our new compact whole house or whole flat wall unit. Basically here it is, it's working right now, it's very quiet as you can hear, and it's also very small, which sets it apart from pretty much every other product out there in this class. Okay, it's basically the size of a shoebox, and I think also quite importantly it will fit inside a length of what we call box profile or coving, as I'll just show you in a second. So basically this stuff, we use this to hide ductwork in properties. Okay, it basically goes like this at the ceiling level. Okay, we've used it many times. It's pretty much used by many other companies as well in the industry. Now, this unit will fit inside a standard piece of this ductwork, like so. Okay, which for aesthetic is quite important. Okay, so it means the unit can be hidden away, the duct can be hidden away, and therefore all the person sees in the house is a length of this box profile, which is a big step forward for aesthetic with this type of retrofit product. Okay, so it's a very good feature which is unique to us. Okay, so the next thing, this product can be installed in pretty much any angle or scenario that is required. So it can be installed this way round, it can be installed this way round, like so. It can even be installed vertically. Okay, I'm talking about the inputs and the outlets. Okay, so any install scenario can be catered for with this product, and it's a very simple process. Now, once we've worked out precisely how the unit will be installed in that way, okay, it's got some very flexible settings, which I'll just quickly run you through right now. So take this cover off, and you can see that we've got this little setting piece right here. Okay, now the features of this are, firstly, you can tell the unit whether the unit has been rotated this way, or if it's been installed the other way around. Obviously the display would be upside down, so you can rotate the display to make it easier for the installer. Okay, the next setting is you tell the unit whether it's ducted or not. So some installations there won't be any duct work at all, it will just be sitting on the wall, but others will have duct, and that increases the resistance of the air resistance and therefore the loading on the motor. So the system will automatically increase power to the motor if the installation is ducted. Okay, and then in terms of the actual setting of the unit, in terms of the rate of ventilation, you can either set it according to the number of bedrooms in the property, which will translate to the ventilation rate in the building regulations part F, or you can set your own triple rates, and it will automatically run at those. Okay, you can also set the rate at which the temperature I should say, at which the heating element inside the unit kicks in. Which is quite an important and flexible feature. You can tell the unit what type of filter it has in here. So again, rather uniquely, most products of this type only have an insect filter in them. With our product, we can either have G4 or F7 rated filtration, which is very important. Okay, we can tell the unit, we can tell the system whether it's in radon mode or not, which is quite an important feature. And then we can also define whether the unit switches off during summer. Okay, so it has a summer cut-off feature that can be either disabled or set. Okay, and this is quite a final piece, is quite an important feature. All of these settings can be saved. Okay, and there can be a code defined which will allow the user, once they enter the code, to make changes to those settings. So those landlords and people out there who don't want the units to be tampered with, you can do this electronically by defining a code. Okay, so it's all very flexible and very unique. Okay, now the final aspect of this is the data logger. Okay, units of this type typically have a data logger which tells you how many hours the unit's been used for. Our product has a data logger with a lot more information in it, so it has a total number of hours the unit's been used for, but it will also give information, okay, on the total energy consumed by the fan and the total energy consumed by the heating element, okay, which is obviously quite valuable, especially in a rental property situation. And the data logger can be reset so that all those values can be defined on an occupancy by occupancy basis, which is quite important for rental properties and in social housing situations as well. Okay, so that's pretty much it with the product. If we can help in any inquiries that you may have about how this product may be helpful to you, do please let us know, and do check out our website. It has much more information there. Thank you.